Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another paper pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Hi friends, welcome to the alternative card number 2 for the Lovely Lavender Paper Pumpkin Kit for January 2024. It's a really simple card that I'm making today. This is a card base that was in the kit. It is sort of crumb cake and polka dotty, and I just sliced it in half, and now I have the card front for my basic white card, and then that way I'll have the other polka dotted crumb cake piece for another project if I wish. So I'm just putting that on my basic white thick card, creasing down that score line. And now I am going to trim off these lovely lavenders from this little, I don't know, adhesive piece. They stuck all the little die cuts on this white piece. Anyway, I'm cutting them free because I don't want them in that arrangement. And then I have a piece of basic white card just off to the right there, and I'm going to place that on my card, or my card front, I should say. And I'm going to put my lavender on the white piece. So I did put dimensional adhesive from the kit behind the lavender, and I put the largest one in the center, and I'm putting the smaller ones kind of on the left and the right. And I ended up not using the fourth little piece of lavender just because he didn't fit, so I'll put him somewhere else. I did try it out though. And you guys, this little piece from I think it was actually from the kit. It's a sentiment piece. I just put that on the bottom. It's lovely. All right, so you guys, this is a rookie move. So I masked off the sentiment, and it says Happy Valentine's Day, the sentiment. So I masked off the Valentine's Day, and then I inked up happy, and then I masked up the Happy Valentine's, and then inked up the day. So the thing is, you guys, it would have been just easier had I just stamped the sentiment, and that, because I'm going to cut the pieces apart anyway. It was just sort of kind of silly. I did something silly there. I just masked off the Valentine. But really, I'm cutting it all up. So if I had just inked up the stamp and cut the pieces off, then it's no different than me do what I'm doing right now. And I wouldn't have had to do that step. So anyway, I'm using my little trimmer here. Sometimes for really small things, I like being super accurate. And you're probably going to ask me, where did you get that little trimmer? Well, Stampin' Up used to sell it, doesn't anymore. And I often use it on my little desk. And I only have one. So I don't know if you ever come across one like this, I would buy it, because it's a really handy thing. But I rarely use it in videos because everyone's like, where is it? I'm like, I can't get you one, so I don't want to be mean. So I'm putting that card front piece on my card base, and now I'm going to adhere the happy day. I just wanted this card to be more utilizable. Valentine's Day is great, but it's only one day out of the year, but you can have many happy days out of a 360-day choice, right? So oftentimes people find that it's an easier card to give if it says happy day as opposed to happy Valentine's Day. Anyway, I digress. This is the Purple Fine Shimmer Gems that I am utilizing on my card. And that, folks, is my share for today. I will be back next month for a couple more alternatives for Paper Pumpkin, but I have other media all over the place, come to my YouTube channel, check it out. Thank you so much for watching, thumbs upping, subscribing, all the YouTubey things. I really appreciate you. Bye for now.